All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about getting your money into Acorn. You've probably heard of Acorn, right? That app that magically turns your spare change into investments. It's like having a tiny financial wizard in your pocket. But here's the burning question. Can you actually stuff some cold, hard cash into that digital piggy bank? I mean, it would be kinda cool, right? Imagine walking into your bank, grabbing a fistful of Benjamins, and slipping them into an Acorn deposit machine. But is that actually possible? Let's dive in. First off, let's clarify what we mean by Acorn. There are actually a few different Acorn products out there. We've got Acorn Invest, which is all about growing your money through investments. Then there's Acorn Spend, which is more like a regular checking account. So, the answer to our question depends on which Acorn you're talking about. Let's start with Acorn Invest. Can you deposit cash directly into your investment portfolio? Short answer, nope. Acorn Invest is designed to be a hands-off investment platform. The magic happens through automatic roundups and recurring investments. It's about setting it and forgetting it. So, while you can't toss cash into your investment account, you can easily transfer money from your linked bank account. But what about Acorn Spend? Now, we're talking about a checking account. So, can you deposit cash? Well, it's a bit more complicated. Acorn Spend is actually a partnership with Lincoln Savings Bank. That means you have access to a debit card, online banking, and even overdraft protection. But here's the thing, while you can deposit checks through the Acorn app, depositing cash directly into your Acorn Spend account isn't as straightforward. You see, Acorn doesn't have its own physical branches. It's a digital bank. So, there's no place to walk in and hand over your cash. However, there might be a workaround. You could potentially deposit cash into your linked bank account and then transfer the funds to your Acorn Spend account. It's an extra step, but it could get the job done. Now, let's talk about ATMs. Can you deposit cash into your Acorn account at an ATM? Again, it depends on which Acorn you're talking about. For Acorn Invest, the answer is a definite no. For Acorn Spend, it's a bit more nuanced. While you might be able to deposit cash into your linked bank account at an ATM, you can't directly deposit cash into your Acorn Spend account. So, to recap, can you deposit cash into your Acorn account? Well, it depends. If you're talking about Acorn Invest, the answer is no. If you're talking about Acorn Spend, you can't deposit cash directly, but you might be able to work around it by depositing cash into your linked bank account. It's important to remember that Acorn is all about automation and convenience. While it might not be the most cash-friendly platform, it's designed to make saving and investing as effortless as possible. So, if you're looking for a way to passively grow your wealth without a lot of fuss, Acorn could be a great option. But if you're someone who prefers the tangible feeling of holding onto your money, Acorn might not be the best fit. There are plenty of other banking options out there that offer more traditional cash deposit methods. Ultimately, the best way to figure out if Acorn is right for you is to give it a try. You can sign up for a free account and explore the platform without committing any money. Just remember that while Acorn is a great tool for saving and investing, it might not be the best solution for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.